Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I am Saniya Usmani. Today, I am here for Saturday Learning, and my topic is business growth. It means how business affects affects in the successing of business. So, the first point is why businesses stop growing. So business does not continue automatically. A business experience of various types of stages where their profits, their sales, and their customers begin to slow down or should be stopped. So there are various reasons why businesses stop growing. So the first reason is lack of innovation. When the business should not give or introduce a new ideas of product and services, it will start declining. The second one is poor leadership and weak financial management. When the businessman has poor leadership skills, like they do not have proper decision making skills, they do not initiate anything firstly, and they do not manage the money properly, the business will stop. The third one is increasing competition and poor customer services. If the business has business competition, it increases, their competitors sales various types of goods and services with the same or good quality, the consumer will move forward to the competitors, and the business will lose their consumers. And the customer services poor. If the business does not provide a good quality of goods and services, the business will not retain their customers. Next one is failure to adopt technology and lack of marketing. If the businessmen do not have the proper marketing skills, they do not know how to research about the needs and demands of the customers, then the business will fail. And last one is employee problems. If the businessman does not satisfy the needs of the employee working in the organization, for example, they do not increase their salary bonuses, then the employee will unmotivated, and they do not work properly in the organization, and it will stop the businesses from growing. So here is an example. For example, a local clothing retailer continues selling online only through physical stores, but their competitor also selling the product online. So the customer will move towards the next branch. So next one is delegation. So delegation is the process of assigning responsibilities and authorities to employees, so that they are accountable for their work. As businesses grow, the businessman will not cannot perform every task or self, so they delegate or assign their responsibilities authorities to their employees. It will help in for business, like they saves management times. It allows a faster decision makings. It improves employee motivations, and it also enables owners to focus it on their planning and expansion. Here is an example of restaurant industry. For example, when the owner cooks every meal, handles billing, purchasing ingredients, and serves customers, it will increase their time also. So the business owner should be hire a chef, restaurant manager, and cashier, and delegate their work to themselves, so their tasks should be done properly and efficiently. The next point is systems. Systems are the procedures that businesses use to perform their daily tasks efficiently and consistently. For example, first one is inventory management. It will help in the businesses to organize their stock at proper level. It helps in avoiding overstocking and understocking. The second one is billing systems. It allows to prepare the bills automatically and systematically. The third one is payroll systems. Payroll system is a system where the salaries, bonuses, and deductions of the employee are calculated automatically. And CRM stand for customer relationship management. It helps in assigning the relationship of the customers, and performing and retaining the customers effectively, and also helps in storing the customer histories, so that they can provide services to the customers. The last one is quality control system. It also helps in improving the quality of the product, so the customer gets satisfied. Example: imagine a burger. There is a burger restaurant where every chef prepare burgers differently. So the customer will receive different tastes, different sizes, and different waiting times. So the restaurant should introduce our systems which will uh, which will help in digital ordering and automated kitchen displays. So the customer should receive the same quality of the burgers in less time. It will decrease their times. The next one is hiring. So hiring is also very play an important role in a successful business. It will allow or for selecting the qualified employees who uh, who who have the skills and knowledge to achieve the organization goals. So why there is the importance of hiring in business growth? So the first is increased workforce capacity. It workforce means the it will increase the employees with their higher skills and knowledges which can help in achieving their goals. The second one is improve services quality. It will improve the quality of the goods and services. The second one is introduces new ideas and expertise. It will also help in innovation and expansion. The example of this is a software startup received the thousands of new users. The founder cannot himself write a code, answer the customer's emails, so they hire a new qualified employees who will perform their task. So it will help in achieving their goals. The next one is cash flow. So the cash flow is a movement of money in and out of the business. So for cash inflow, it means the money received from the internal or external sources like customers, loans, or investment, and the cash outflow is the money which is spent on the salaries, rents, inventory, taxes, utilities, and other expenses. Example: a construction company wins a large contract worth 10 crore. It will receive after every 6 months, so it will increase the cash flow of the business. Next one is branding. So branding is the process of creating a unique identity for the business. It include the name, logo, design, reputation, and the customer experience. When the businesses have their own brand, the customer will know whose the company is this. For example, Tata brand is different, Bata brand is different. It is also for recognizing. For example, there are two coffee shops, one have different prices and other have different prices. So for attracting the investors or customers, they introduce their own brands. The next one is pricing. So pricing is the one of the most important elements in the business. Pricing is a process of determining how much customer will pay for the product or services. It includes sales volume, profitability, customers perception, and their market shares. If the price is high, the sales decreases because the less customer will purchase the products. Profitability, but if the price is high, the profitability of the business will also increases. Customer perception will also depend on the price of the product and market share too. For example, when there is an airline offers economic class, premium economy, and business class and first class, so the person will choose among all the options as per their price. The next is expansion. So expansion refers to the increasing the size and the scope of business by entering in the new market or introducing their new products or services. There are various types of expansions like geographic expansion. It means increasing their business into new areas or locations. Product expansion, it means introducing their new products or services to the customers. Market expansion, it means that introducing their products and services to the new market segment or customer segment. The next one is international expansion. So international expansion means that introducing the goods and services to the international border, for example, from another country, and the franchise or expansion. Now, the example of this is that a food delivery app begins operation in one city. After the success, when it expand their business into 10 cities, 50 cities, or more, or another countries. The last one is technology. So technologies also play the important role in business. It include artificial intelligence, ERP, CRM, e-commerce platforms, mobile application, data analytics. So it all include and perform. It all are tools that are used to improve business operation and increases the customer experiences. So at last, I concluded that business growth plays a vital role in achieving business success, as it also increases sales, profits, and customer base and market shares. So business growth is a key driver of a long-term business success. It ensures stability, profitability, and development in the competitive market. Thank you. So any question, please? Okay, thank you.